How to log out from bitcoin.com wallet app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your bitcoin.com wallet app. For that, you will need to open your bitcoin.com wallet application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this homepage. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to see the gear icon. Tap on this gear or the settings icon and this will take you to the settings page. In this page, you will need to tap on this email address on the top. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to your account settings page. Here you will be able to see logout option. Simply tap on this logout option and within a seconds, you will be logged out from your account. Now if you want to sign in or log in back to your account, you will need to tap on this sign in option right here and log into your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your bitcoin.com wallet app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.